How to fix follow back problem on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix follow back problem on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open Play Store on your device. Tap search icon at bottom right corner of the screen and the search bar at top. Now type in Instagram and see if there is any updates. If you find any update, simply tap the update button and update it to the latest version. Once you do that, go to settings on your device. Scroll down and select apps. Now tap app management. Tap the search bar at top of the screen and type in Instagram to get access to the app info page of Instagram. Tap Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. Come back, select Permissions and make sure to allow all apps permission. If not, select particular one and tap Allow. Similarly, you can do it for everyone. Once you do that, exit from this page and check whether your issue resolved or not. If not resolved yet, you have to reinstall the application. Tap and hold Instagram and the I or the uh, once you tap the I icon, you will get access to the app info section where you can select uninstall and tap OK button and reinstall from Play Store. Or directly, when you tap and hold, you will see the trash button. Select that and tap uninstall and then reinstall from Play Store or App Store. So that is how we easily fix the follow back problem on Instagram. Thank you for watching.